How do you set the equalizer on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this. Now, it depends on which music or streaming service you are using. For example, a lot of people use Spotify, where you can open up the app, go to your profile and settings, and part of the playback, we have the equalizer settings page. So you get to change a different style or even manage it by grabbing the little dots or like points on the scale and adjust it according to your preferences. So you have much more control over it. And at the end of the day, it's for you to like better enjoy the music. But if you're using, for example, Apple Music, you can find the equalizer in the settings app of the iPhone by going to apps and finding music, and equalizer has its own separate menu there, so you can pick again from different styles and adjust it according to the preference that you have. So that's how you do it for the different platforms. Keep in mind that there are dedicated equalizer apps on the App Store where you can import some of your music, for example, the music that you created yourself, and you'll be able to control it and play with that track individually. So not applying it to the whole music streaming platform, but only playing with the sounds and the music that you want to perhaps change or tweak in that sense. So if you want to be more professional with it, get a dedicated app. But if you just want to change the music style or the way it's played on the phone, then change it in the settings of your streaming platform. But that would be about it from me. Let me know if you found it on your phone, and if you found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.